Hello, today I would like to share with you our new gift box for our VIP customers. So let's unpack the box now. Inside the box, we have two products inside. The first one is our SM04 with the waterproof 5ATM smartwatch. And another one is our new earphone with noise cancelling function and with 6 mics. And the noise cancelling function depth can reach more than 40 decibel. So now I would like to share with you how to connect the smartwatch. And inside the box, we have two user menu for the smartwatch and the earphone. And we also have the two charging cable. So let's check one by one. Firstly, we need to unpack the sticker. Press and hold on 3 seconds. And we could choose the language. And in the next step, we will use the phone to scan the QR code. So this is iPhone 16. And we could use the camera to scan the QR code. Click the link. And we could download the app from Apple Store and Google Play. And there is two ways for connection. We could use the app device here. Search for device. Our model is SN04. And it will connecting. Click here and it will successfully pair. All done, so we could create the finish. Then the smartwatch is successfully connected with the mobile phone. Okay, so now let's go continue to the earphone. This earphone is 6 mics with noise cancelling function and with the AI translation function. So let's connect the AI app. Firstly, we also need to use the camera to scan the QR code from the user menu. And create the link. Download here. Because we have already downloaded, so if you use the first time, you could download here. And we could open the app here. So first step, we need to connect the Bluetooth. So we back to the setting. And we search for the earphone model. And it will successfully connected. And we back to the app. Buy the new device here. When you first need use the app, you need to create a new account. So you could write down your email, your password here, your first name, last name. So all is ready, so we could create the login button here. And we could buy the new device here. There is a QR code activation. We click here, and in the user menu, we have the AI activation code, so we could write down the code directory. 稍等一下。And there is so the earphone has successfully connected. And there is another way, is to scan the call directory. It's also okay. So there are 4 modes for the AI translation. So the first one is the dual ear mode. So when you use the earphone, and maybe your friend can use another earphone, and when you speak the one language, the earphone will show the another language. And if you don't want to share your earphone with other one, you could use the speaker mode. That is, if you use the earphone, the translation will show directly by the phone speaker, and another translation will show in your earphone as well. The third one is the listen mode. So when you use this mode, you say one language, and it will directly shows another language to achieve the translation. And the last mode is meeting mode. It have no translation model, but if you say something, some language, it will show directory. So when we use the meeting mode, all you say will be directory saved in this app. Hello, we are the manufacturer of phone accessories with 18 years of experience. We have different kinds of products such as charger, cable, power bank, earphone, etc. So we could create the save button here. And there is the AI summary function. You could use it to summarize the meeting here. And we could also search the record in the voice record here. We could hear the record and have the written summary here. And all the conversation within this 4 mode will be directly found in the voice record here. And today I just want to share with you how to connect the Bluetooth and the smartphone, and how to use the AI translation function. So for the other base information of the other function, you could search from our user menu here. This is the user menu for the earphone and for the smartwatch. That's all. Thank you.